This is a recap for Wednesday, May 26th. And I'm going to do an answer key on the quiz that we did today. So here is the first problem that we did, find the median of this data set. So we want to put them in order. So 30, 30, 53, 62, and 64. So I have 5 numbers. So that means the third number is the median. So there's 2 on each side. So 53 was the answer on that one. Problem number 2 was find the mode. So we don't really need to put them in order to find the mode. We just need to find the one that occurs the most often. So if I kind of had a list over here, I have the 92 and I was counting them up. Oh, it occurred there, it occurred a second time, like kind of if I was doing this. So it occurs twice. So it occurs twice. And all the other numbers, if I have them like a 94, there's only one. A 96, there's only one. A 97, there's only one. And a 98, there's only one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've counted for all of them, and this was the only one that was more than one. But what's important is not that there was 2 of them, but there was more than all of the rest. So it is the winner. So that is why it's C, 92. All right, the third problem. Find the range. So the range goes from the smallest number, which is 35, and it ranges up to a 44. So 44 minus 35 is 9. So 9 is the range. That is right there, 9. Okay, on this next one, I'm going to put these in order and use it twice. So we're just going to put these numbers in order. The smallest number is a 60, followed by a 70, and then a 75. Oops, I had another 60 here, so I'll just put it right there. And looks like next we have an 80 and another 80 and 2 85s and then 3 90s. So I should have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to find the mode. So the mode, I'll highlight here. We've got a couple of 60s. We've got a couple of 80s. We've got a couple of 85s. So they're all tied so far, but I have this one breaks the tie and it wins because there's 3 of them. So 90 is the mode. So we're looking for the mode on that one. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to erase just this part, leave that up there, and go to the next question. And it says find the median. So this time what I'm going to do, so I'll go with green. I'm going to number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I go to the sixth number right here, then I have 5 on this side and 5 on that side. So it's balanced, it's the very middle. And so 80 is the median, the middle. Okay, and that is, well, I'm also, and since I'm making this recap, I'll go to Pear Deck and go over a couple of the problems that we did there. So let's see, we did, I'll just go right here. And we worked on cards 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the most frequent number here is a 5. So the mode was 5 on this one. I'm not going to write that one down. The range on this, it ranged from 48 to 3, from 3 to 48, the largest and the smallest, and so that's 45. And this one, when you add all these up, so to find the mean, you add all these up. When you add them all up, so 4 plus 10 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9, that equals 63. And you do 63 divided by the 9 numbers that you added up, you get 7. So that one was 7, and you have to enter that into the Pear Deck. This one, you also find the mean, the average or the mean. And so we're finding the mean, and when we add these all up, add them all up, it equals 45. And that's 45 divided by 9. So the mean on this one was 5. So that's what you have to enter on that one. And then the mode on this one, I'm going to use a highlighter. There are 3 2s. There's no other number that has a triple. We'll call that a triple because there's 3 of them. If there was one that had 4 repeats, then that would be the winner. So that is, the mode was 2 on that one. And this is the last one that some of us looked at. And this one, I wrote the data out on this one. So the data set, this means that there's 1 9. This means that there's 4 10s. This means there's 3 11s. And there was no 12s, and there was 2 13s. If I number these off, I'm going to find out how many there are. There are 10 numbers, so that means I have to go to the middle 2 numbers. So I better use I'll use that. Okay, so I have to find the middle between these 2 right here, between 5 and 6. So the middle halfway between 5 and 6, 10, not 5 and 6, but the 5th and 6th number is 10.5. Some people were saying 5.5 as an answer in that because it was halfway between the 5th and the 6th number. But these are not, this is not data down there. That's the first number and the second number, whoops, and the third number. These are called ordinal. 5th, these are just putting them in order. So it's not, this is not data down here. It's what we use to organize the data. These numbers are data. This is the data. Okay, and that is a recap for Wednesday, May 26th.